how much you can earn trading, okay? और आप ट्रेडिंग करके कितना पैसा कमा सकते हैं, पर डे कितना कमा सकते हैं, how much you can earn per day. This is the question we are going to discuss today. Many people ask me this question, and many people keep asking this question to influencers in the area of trading, and they keep asking on Twitter, they keep asking in other social media platforms also. And this is very famous question: how much I can earn trading. And specifically newbies, those who are new to market, or those who are coming to market, or those who want to come to market for trading, they will definitely ask this question, that how much money I will make. They will ask it with a little bit of variation, but this question is always there, and everybody want answer of this question. Every newbie want answer of this question. Before starting this discussion, I want to give you one example. It is example of Renaissance Technologies. Renaissance Technologies was founded by legendary Jim Simons, legendary trader. There is also a book on Jim Simons named The Man Who Solved Stock Market. He was a mathematician and expert. Using his quant strategies, he has earned huge, means he has created this hedge fund, and this hedge fund from 1988 to 2018, in this 30 years, they earned annualized return of 66%, year on year 66%. His clients also got 40% after all his fees and everything. His clients also earned 40% year on year. I want to underline this part, year on year. And this man is called the man who solved the market. And he got his name because he earned 66% annualized return, which translates to 5.5% without compounding, per month, 5.5% without compounding. For simplicity, let's keep it without compounding. And most of the professional traders, most of them expect 4 to 5% per month. That too, earning in stock market is not linear. Means you cannot have fixed income per day or per month. Sometime you will earn big, sometime you will lose, sometime you won't earn, you won't lose. Now, before discussing it further, I just want to show you some questions. So I'll directly take you to screen. Okay. So these are some questions which I got from a question answer website called Quora. You can also go to Quora, Quora, and like this there are hundreds of questions, but I took some of these questions. Okay. Now let's just go through this question to understand what is expectation of people, what they are actually asking. Okay. Now the first question, this guy is a beginner, right? And he is asking that, is it possible to earn 8 to 10% profit daily on his capital of 50,000 rupees? 8 to 10% daily. It means if you don't consider compounding, and if there are 22 working days, means trading days in a month, without compounding, it is like 3 times, right? Tripling the money. So it means every day 8 to 10% means every day 5,000, right? So in 20 days 1 lakh, right? This is 1 lakh rupees. This guy actually want to triple his money every month. With compounding, it's far more, okay? Even I am not going into that. So this guy want to triple his money, and he is asking another question, that if possible, then how do I get it? If anybody know how to triple your money in a month, why he will tell you? Why he will tell you how to do that? Now see the second question. What he is asking is 400 to 500 rupees per day on 2000 rupees capital. What is meaning of this? He want 25% return, 25% return per day. So technically, without compounding, he want to double his money in 4 days. Double in 4 days. Okay. So one second, be with me. Okay. So this guy want to double his money every 4 days, right? With compounding, it is like double in 4 days, 4 time in 8 days, 8 time in 16 days. So he is kind of, he actually want to convert his 2000 rupees into 20,000 rupees within 15-20 days. Technically, he want double his money in every 4 days without compounding. I am even not discussing compounding in these questions, not explaining you the with compounding. Okay, let's here. Okay, let's do some compounding for next question now. Can I earn 2% per day from intraday trading? 2% per day is 44%. Is 44% per month, because I am considering 22 working days in a month, 22 trading days. So 2% per day is 44%. Okay. Here also I did not consider daily compounding, but if you consider monthly compounding, it's like he want to double his money in 2 months. Okay. And these are another questions here. This guy is asking, I want to earn 50,000 rupees each day. Can I earn? Okay. See, I know traders who earn crores of rupees in the day. In intraday trading, in a day, they earn crores of rupees. So, can I earn 50k rupees? Yes, but this word each, no. See, returns in stock markets are never linear. Sometime you earn big, sometime you lose, sometime you don't earn, you don't lose. So nobody will tell you that how if you can earn each day. Okay. I just told you that nobody will tell you that you can earn, but that is also not true. I'll come to that. Okay. Next guy is asking every day 5,000 rupees and how much capital is needed. This is when I read this question, last question. When I read this last question, I was like, the way this guy asked this question. See, what is the best strategy to generate 100 rupees? Okay, and in bracket is written 1% from 10,000 rupees daily in intraday trading. Okay, it is like he is asking, okay, forget those big returns, 1%, 100 rupees on 10,000, 100 rupees per day means 22% in a month, every day. And this question is something like 1% नहीं कमा सकते दिन में? अरे क्यों ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, क्यों जीरो भाई? 1% like this. So this is kind of sarcastic question. These are real questions on Quora. You can go and search this with same wording, and there are hundreds of questions like this. And there are many good people who have answered on this question that, see, this is, your expectations are high, so whatever I am telling you, the returns won't be consistent. Once a while you can earn, in a day also you can earn 30%, but that is not sustainable. You cannot do it daily. Okay, and many people try to guide on right path, but there are some answers. There was a question that can I earn 2 to 4% per day, and there was one answer that 8 to 10% per day is little difficult, but 2 to 4% per day is reasonable. You can easily earn. This was the answer per day. Means a person was answering on this question and telling that 2 to 4% earning per day in a stock market is very much possible. And I was like stunned, and I was thinking that, okay, let me contact this person and buy his system. Then I will double my money every 2 months. And there are many people who, if you I answer, or if somebody answered there that, okay, this is not possible to make such huge returns consistently, these people think that, hey, this guy don't know trading, this guy don't earn. You can see, I have created a video in March, in April, when Nifty was coming down. I earned more than 15% in 1 month, 15% returns in 1 month, 22% returns in one of my small account, and that too without leverage. But that I have created that as a motivational video, that you can do this without leverage. That is very much possible, but it doesn't mean it is possible every month. My target of profit are also 5% per month. If I get more, I won't deny it. I will keep it with me, because some months I get less also, some bad months, some loss also. But we want a consistent average profit of 4 to 5%, and with that professional traders are happy. But new people if somebody gives them practical advice, they will be like, what this guy is telling, this guy himself don't know trading. And that's why if anybody answers it is very much possible, they will go to that guy and lose all the money. Now just imagine one thing, okay. Most of you might have watched the movie Fir Hera Fairy, right? The Akshay Kumar and Paresh Rawal and Sunil Shetty movie. And in that movie, this Akshay Kumar take money from Rajpal Yadav, and he tell that I will give you double in 3 months. See, while watching this movie, we know that this is scam. That doubling the money in 3 months is not possible. We know. So in watching the movie, everybody knows that this is scam. But here, I don't know why people their thinking ceases, or why they are unable to think properly. And how can they think that they can double the money here in 1 month, or some people I showed you, right, in double the money in 4 days or 2 months or 3 months. And they are asking, many people on many social platforms asking this question. And there are some people who take advantage of this. They will tell you, yes, it is possible. You just buy my system, attend my webinar. This cost is 35,000, and you pay. So people are actually, see, who thinks that they can double the money, triple the money in 2 months, 3 months, they fall for this kind of webinar scammers. Okay, finally I'll come to the point, how much can you earn? How much can you actually earn? Okay, because see, I did not answer this question yet, right? We discussed about many other things, and 4 to 5% what professionals look for, but what you can actually earn, it depends on basically 4 factors, 4 things it depends on. First is knowledge, how much knowledge you have. Okay, the knowledge, when I say knowledge, it's basically about technical analysis and how things work in different environments and all that. Okay. Second, how good system you have. When I say system, I refer to back-tested system. So the system which you know that in last 10 years it has continuously given good returns, and those are the maximum returns you should expect in the future. So first thing is you should have knowledge. Second thing is you should have system, and you should have developed it on your own. Okay. Third thing is you should have proper psychology, trading psychology. That's why I told that you should have developed that system on your own. If it is borrowed or bought system, trading psychology won't let you make money. I will create some separate videos about that. And the last one, and the most important, is you should have capital. You should have knowledge, you should have a proper trading system, you should have proper trading psychology, and fourth one is you should have capital. Actually, in these questions, the first 3 factors are missing. people are just asking you that I have this capital, what I can earn. Okay, and who can change this attitude can earn. Otherwise it's very difficult to earn in stock market. See, 85% people lose their money and go out of market within 1 year. That is well known fact. That is fact, well known. And never expect linear returns. Sometimes it will be high, sometimes it will be less. It again dependent on your system, how profitable system you have. Okay, and if you come to trading with big money, big capital, that you come with 1 crore, it doesn't ensure that you will earn big. If you come with 1 crore and if you lack in any of these first 3 factors, that is knowledge, trading system and psychology, if you don't have any one of these, you will lose this 1 crore rupees which you brought to market for trading. Fine. And start with less capital. Learn and start with less capital. In this channel I am sharing many educational content. Watch those contents and learn. Then you will earn good money. And subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends. Okay. Well, like to this video if you can make some sense out of what I am telling you. There are many people if they are newbies, they might watch this and they will again think that, oh, this guy don't know trading because he don't know how to earn big profits. He don't know how to earn 1% in a day. No, I don't know. I even earned 3% in a day, but those days were rare. Okay, even I earn more than that also in one day, but those are rare days. So okay, just remember what I told you. You will thank me for this latter, and please like this video, share and subscribe this channel, and thank you very much for listening me. Goodbye for now.